Hey everyone, Ian here, Mannershed Media. Hey, I want to show you these cool 3D printed Roadrunners now offered at Riv's Classic Car Toy Box. So if you have a Roadrunner car, this would make perfect sense. They're not that heavy. They look awesome. They can be viewed at Riv's Classic Car Toy Box. Check with Rick and Ivonne for pricing. There is a new order coming here very, very shortly. And yeah, I'm hoping that, we can see them around at car shows coming up here in the new season. They're made locally here by a gentleman named Chance. I got to meet with him, super slick guy. He can create many, many different things. And we're hoping to have a co-pilot, Wile E. Coyote, with the Roadrunner here in the very near future. So these are just some of the videos of him assembling them. I'm going to try and get some videos of them actually getting printed. Not that I've never seen a 3D printer actually printing in person. But yeah, these are after they've been printed. He's just cleaning them up and putting one of the birds together so we can just see how it is. But anyway, just sit back, watch, enjoy. And yeah, at the description here, I will put Rick and Yvonne's phone numbers in the description box. So if you want one, give them a shout, and we'll make sure we got some there available for you. All right, thanks. Take care. Bye for now.